Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So for the first we have to enter the settings, because firstly we will actually customize this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down and tap on the display. As you can see here in the screen section on the second position we've got reading mode, so let's tap on it, and actually to show any changes we have to turn on this mode. So just tap on the switcher right here next to the reading mode, and I hope that you can see it that the screen turned a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to read in a dim light. So as you can see, we've got two different modes from which we can choose, the classic one and the paper one, and actually they've got only one difference. Obviously in both of them the screen will look a little bit yellow, but in the classic one you will have just, let's say, normal background, and in the paper one you will be able to see the texture of the paper. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use, which option is I don't know, better for you. In order to because you can adjust, you can actually customize both of those modes. So in order to customize the classic one, just tap on it, tap on this arrow. And as you can see here, we can adjust the color temperature, we can adjust the intensity. So after going to the left, we can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say. After getting back, we can switch to the paper one, and after tapping on it, I'm not really sure if you can see it on the camera, but trust me that the small paper texture in the background just appeared. So let's tap on this arrow in order to customize this mode also. So here we've got the same option, color temperature, and the same situation. By going to the left you can make it cooler, to the right warmer. What's more, here we've got the texture option, so by going to the left you can blur it almost totally, and by going to the right you can make it much sharper, so the paper texture will be much more visible. Under it we've got also the colors, so here you can change the full colors which are right now applied to the light colors, and I would say that those colors are a little bit dull or washed out. Or you can choose the black and white. So after picking this option, the whole menu will be displayed in only three actually colors, because it will be black, white and gray obviously, but I will stick to the full colors. So actually this is how to customize the mode. Here you can also schedule this option. So after tapping on the switcher you can decide if you want to choose good night's read, and after picking this option your device will automatically turn on the reading mode after sunset and turn it off after sunrise. Or you can custom the period, so you can freely choose the time manually. So I will pick to set it at 8, for example, tap on OK, and turn it off at maybe 11. Tap on OK, and as you can see the color of the screen immediately changed. It is because we are between the start time and end time obviously. But let me turn it off, and actually this is the whole customization of the mode. So right now I can show you much faster access to this feature. So all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find this icon reading mode. Right now it is activated, it is highlighted, it has got this blue color around it. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state actually immediately. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.